May I please have you state and spell your first and last name for the record?
Leanne Schmidt, Leanne, last name Schmidt.
Great, thank you. You may take this seat. Please watch your.
All right, go ahead, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Ms. Schmidt.
Good morning.
You are Monty Ellis' mother.
Yes, I am.
You gave birth to her, correct?
I did.
She's not adopted, is her?
No, she's not.
Okay. And how many kids do you have?
I have a total of 5 kids.
She's the first.
Imani is the eldest.
Did she live with you up until a certain period of time?
She lived with me from the time she was born until she was age 19.
Okay. Did Imani Ellis, during her time with you from 0 to 19, ever have one fight in her life?
Never.
Did she ever assault and batter anybody?
Never.
Did she ever hit anybody?
Never.
Scratch anybody?
Never.
Did anyone hit Imani Ellis in those 19 years?
Never.
I just want to know a little bit more about you. What do you do for a living?
I'm a licensed phlebotomist, currently working for Keck Medicine of USC.
And what is a phlebotomist, for those that don't know what it is?
The phlebotomist is a Greek word meaning a person who extracts blood from a vein via tube to vein.
And do you work in a medical center or hospital?
I work at Keck USC School of Medicine. It's a outpatient laboratory.
You work for the university?
Yes.
As far as, are you aware of the facts of this case?
Yes, I am.
And what is your understanding of it? Why are we here today?
Objection, hearsay. Assisting.
Do you have any information about an assault and battery that occurred to Imani Ellis?
Objection, hearsay. Counsel, unless she was there.
Were you there?
I was not,
Were you there in spirit?
of course.
Okay. What is your understanding about your daughter's profession in 2018? What was her profession, to your understanding?
Objection, hearsay, I'm not sure where this is going, counsel. I'll let you move on.
Was Imani Ellis a security guard from 2014 to 2018?
Yes, she was.
How do you know that?
Objection, hearsay.
You may answer.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Was Imani Ellis a security guard from 2014 to 2018?
Yes, she was.
And how do you know that?
I was there when she went on her interview, not physically there, but she did notify me of the interview and she notified me of her hire date.
Okay. And was her plan to continue in security and law enforcement?
Objection, hearsay. Why don't we move on to what she knows, not what she was told?
Do you know if Imani Ellis was interested in being a police officer in the future?
Sustained.
Did you notice some changes in Imani Ellis after this incident of February 24th, 2018?
Yes, I did.
What were the changes that you noticed?
I noticed changes in terms of a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression, and just her general well-being has changed dramatically.
Were you advised, did you notice after the incident that Imani Ellis had a scar to her face?
I did.
And where was the scar?
The scar was located on the left side of her face.
And after she left your home when she was 19, when the incident occurred, she was approximately 25 years old, correct?
She was, yes, correct.
So in those 6 years where she didn't live with you full time, how far away was she, and did you see her on a regular basis?
Objection,
I would see her probably maybe 2 to 3 times a week. We would visit frequently, yes.
Okay. And in those 25 years, did Miss Imani Ellis ever, to your knowledge, sustain a scar on her left or anywhere on her face?
Yes, she did sustain that scar. I visibly saw it myself.
No, I understand, but my question is, aside from the incident, I guess the question what I want to know is, do you have knowledge if Miss Imani Ellis, your daughter, sustained this scar from somewhere else?
Objection?
Something else outside of this incident?
No,
Do you have any information for that?
If there's an objection, please let me rule on it. The objection's over.
So your understanding is that the scar to her face was caused from this incident?
Objection, Max Foundation calls for speculation, it's hearsay.
Sustained.
How do you know that the scar was to your daughter's face was caused by this incident?
Objection,
she
maybe, and the same other ones.
Overruled.
You can answer.
she did notify me and called me right after the incident, telling me that she had been scratched in the face and spit on.
How long after the incident did you go and see your daughter?
She
Or did
actually
she come to you?
she actually came to visit me. I believe later that day.
Okay. Did she look upset? Was she crying? What happened?
She was hysterical, upset, crying, just upset throughout the whole situation.
And was your daughter a fan of Cardi B before this incident?
Absolutely.
Max Foundation, hearsay.
Sustained.
Were you a fan of Cardi B before this incident?
Yes, I was.
Are you a fan of Cardi B now?
Objection, irrelevant.
Sustained.
When you said that your daughter was spit on, did your daughter tell you that? Did you see that? How did you learn it?
Your daughter mischaracterizes the testimony and calls for hearsay, and this is Max Foundation.
Aside from, I'll strike that. Are you aware if your daughter had any car accidents?
Objection, calls for hearsay. Hearsay and Max
I withdraw the question. Were you advised that your daughter had a car accident in 2021 and 2023?
Objection, hearsay, Max Foundation.
Sustained.
Do you know if your daughter sustained injuries in any car accidents?
Objection, Max Foundation.
Sustained.
Earlier, you testified that your daughter had contacted you after the incident. Did she call you over the telephone?
She did.
Okay, and if the incident occurred around 1:30 p.m., how long after the incident do you believe she called you?
I would say about 30 minutes after she called.
Could it have been a shorter time?
Objection, calls for speculation.
Sustained.
Could it have been a longer time?
Objection, speculation.
Sustained.
How did you come up with 30 minutes?
Based on around the time that she called, it was like a little bit after, right away after the incident. And so my speculation is 30 minutes.
And when she called you, was she crying? Was she yelling? What was she doing?
She was hysterically crying, upset, just overall just could barely get it out. She was so upset over the ordeal.
And what did she tell you?
Objection, hearsay.
Sustained.
Just so we're clear, your daughter is now 32.
Correct.
In these 32 years, have you seen your daughter fight physically with anybody?
Not one fight, not even in school.
Okay. Would you consider her a peacemaker?
Objection, Max Foundation, calls for speculation.
Overruled.
You can.
Absolutely.
And why is that?
Imani is a very compassionate person. I believe that she has very good. She has very good character in terms of having a sense of sensitivity to others and how they feel.
Do you know what Imani Ellis does with her time now as far as work?
Objection, explanation, hearsay.
Assistant.
Uh, Do you ever speak with Imani Ellis about her current profession?
No, not really.
And she's currently somewhere in the medical field, is that correct?
Objection, lacks foundation, comes from speculation, and something.
Earlier, you testified that Imani Ellis was spit on. Where did you learn that information?
Objection.
Assistant.
Sorry.
Have you ever seen Cardi B before today?
On television,
How many times?
too many to count.
More than 5?
Yes,
More than 50?
Objection, relevance.
Assistant.
When you saw her in television, isn't it true that her nails are always very long?
Objection, lacks foundation, comes from speculation, and relevant.
Assistant.
Does if you look at the defendant now, you see her fingernails?
yes,
Would you consider those short, long, or medium fingernails?
Objection.
short.
Lacks foundation.
Over.
Did you, when you saw Cardi B, did she ever have fingernails that size?
No, they were always very long,
How long?
2 to 3 inches long.
So what you see now is not normal, correct?
Correct.
No further questions.
All right, cross.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Schmidt, just a few questions. You love your daughter, right?
Absolutely.
And you're here to help her, right?
Yes,
And you believe her.
yes,
And you believe her even if you don't need evidence to believe her, do you?
I believe her.
Okay. Were you aware that when she was, when this happened, 2 days after the alleged incident, that your daughter wrote her boss and admitted yelling and cursing, well, yelling at Cardi?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Objection, hearsay.
Are you aware that your daughter, in an incident report to her boss 2 days after the alleged incident, admitted to her boss, to her supervisor, that she had gotten into a screaming match with Cardi and had yelled at Cardi?
Objection misstates the document.
Assistant.
Are you aware that your daughter apologized to Ally for her misconduct that day?
Objection misstates the document.
Over.
Are you aware of that, ma'am?
I was not involved in that conversation, so no, I was not aware of that.
And were you aware that in her report to her boss 2 days after the incident, she instead claimed that Cardi had scratched your daughter's nose?
Again, I was not a part of that conversation, nor email or text, so I do not know.
All the questions I have for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Redirect.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Actually, I don't have any questions.
All right, any questions from the jury? All right, can this witness be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thanks for coming down, man.
Thank you.
All right, does plaintiff have another witness to call?
Yes, Your Honor. Plaintiff calls Leanne Schmidt. Can this witness stay here now that she's testified?
If she's not going to be recalled.
She might be recalled.
What's that?
She might be recalled, yes.
Then no.
Thank you. I will get her.
Well, I didn't expect for that testimony to go any differently than what it did. Right? This the mama. Why call her if she's not gonna be in the daughter's corner? Right? Like, We expected that, right? So let's see who they're gonna have come up next in regards to this. I can't imagine this trial even taking to the end of the week. You say fruit from that poisonous tree, right? While she yelling her name. But she a security guard and she's supposed to know all of these things, right? Real special. Hey, y'all, TV.
Schmidt. Thank you. Please stand right next to the court reporter.
Yeah, I mean,
That's fine.
Right there.
That's fine. Thank you. Please raise your right hand.
yeah, I just don't.
Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court
I
shall be
just
the
really
truth, the
think
whole
it's
truth?
it's just. Oh, here we go. We got another witness coming on the stand, y'all. Here we go.
Thank you.
Let me mute up.
Good morning, Ms. Schmidt. You're Imani Ellis' grandmother.
I am.
You live in Las Vegas.
I do.
And what did you do for a living before you retired?
I work for City National Bank
For how many
here
years?
in LA.
How many years?
Probably 12 years, 13 years. I retired from there.
Did you you are no, I'm sorry, straight. On how many? What type of basis would you see Imani Ellis over the last 8 years?
She tries to come see me every month, unless business takes her other way, elsewhere. She's there almost every month.
What if we go a little further? When she was born in 1992 up until the present, you saw her regularly?
I saw her every week. Every week. In fact, when she came home from the hospital, she came to me. Her mother was sick. She was sick for a while, but she came to me every week, and her and her other sister.
And you were involved in her day-to-day activities, the weekly activities?
Sometimes when she asked or whatever.
Did she ever get in any fights, to your knowledge?
Never. She was always the mediator. She always tried to keep things calm. She has 5 brothers and sisters. She's trying to always to keep it. She's the eldest, so.
Do you consider her a peacemaker?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
What is your understanding of how she got the scar to her face?
Objection by foundation.
What is what?
Do you know how Imani Ellis got the scar to her face?
Objection by foundation, leading.
Assisting.
Are you aware that Imani Ellis was assaulted and battered in 2018?
Assisting. Counsel, again, focus on what she knows.
Do you know if Imani Ellis was ever assaulted?
Yes, I do. She called me almost after it.
What are some of the changes? Well, strike that. Did you notice a change in Imani Ellis in some point in her life?
Well, after this incident, she was depressed. She was really disappointed. I think she liked Cardi before the incident, and she was shocked that she was reacted that way, and she just was depressed. And every time she relived it, listening to her music on the radio, and it was kind of she couldn't really avoid it. So it affected her because she couldn't make it right.
And the incident you were just telling us about, when approximately did it happen to your knowledge?
It was right after my birthday, but it was, I don't know what the year was, but it was a long time ago.
When is your birthday?
February 16th.
If I told you the incident happened on February 24th of 2018, would that refresh your recollection?
Yeah, that sounds pretty clear. I don't know. Is it 2018?
Yes.
Yeah, that's about right.
And you noticed a change in your granddaughter after 2018,
Yeah.
right after your birthday?
Yeah.
Did you see the scar to Imani Ellis's face after February 24th of 2018?
Objection, like foundation bleeding.
You can answer.
I can't. Yeah, I did. She was, well, she's a pretty girl. She wants to maintain her face, and it was like it damaged her face, and she was trying to make that right.
All right. Now, let's take it from birth, 1992 up until February 24th of 2018.
Okay.
In that time period, did Imani Ellis, to your knowledge, ever sustain a scar to anywhere on her face?
Not that I know of.
Did you ever see a scar during that
Never.
time frame? And after this incident on February 24th of 2018, you with your own eyes saw the scar to her face?
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Okay. And when she got plastic surgery from Dr. Mulliken, did it improve?
Objection,
Oh.
like foundation.
You can answer.
Yeah, he was actually a very good surgeon. He covered it very well.
And it is still present now a little bit, correct?
Very slightly, but she's lucky.
No further questions. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor. Hello, Ms. Schmidt.
Hello.
My name is Peter Anderson, and I just have a few questions for you. Thank you for coming in. I take it you love your granddaughter, correct?
Yeah,
And you're here to help her, right?
if I can.
Thank you. And I apologize for objecting. It's one of the things that I have to do in order to
I
be a lawyer.
understand. I understand.
But thank you, I appreciate that. And you don't need evidence to believe her. She's your granddaughter, right?
She either has it or she doesn't. I mean, you either see it or you don't.
Okay. You know she was employed as a security guard, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes, but
that's a yes.
yes.
yeah, sometimes it's hard for the court reporter if someone says,
Okay.
So you knew she was employed as a security guard, and you know that she was fired after the alleged incident with Cardi B.
Objection misstates the testimony.
Well, let me go back. You knew that she was employed as a security guard, right?
Yes.
And were you aware she was fired?
Objection calls for speculation.
But
You can answer the question. Were you aware that she was fired as a security guard?
it was my understanding she was told that she was going to be fired
Okay.
by Cardi.
Were you aware that at the time, 2 days after the incident, she apologized to the security guard company for her own misconduct that day of the alleged incident?
I told you she's a person that tries to make sure everything is straightened out. So she apologized for what she saw as a disturbance, I think.
Were you aware that she apologized to the security company that employed her for her own misconduct?
Objection calls for speculation.
Did she ever tell you that?
No, I didn't discuss that with her.
Did she ever tell you that she told the company that employed her that Cardi scratched her on her nose, not her cheek?
Objection misstates the document.
She didn't tell you that, did she?
What?
She
She
didn't tell you
just
that.
that she was like her finger was all over her face. So I mean, it could be land anywhere
Okay, but you only saw a scar, you say,
on her cheek.
on her cheek. You never saw any scar on her nose, did you?
No, not on her nose. I didn't.
Did you notice a scar on her nose, ma'am?
No.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Oh.
And I think that's all the questions that I have for you. Thank you.
All right, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Are you aware that in the incident report that counsel asked you about, your granddaughter expressed that the defendant pointed her 3-inch acrylic fingernail into her face?
Objection, outside the scope.
Are you aware in the incident report, which counsel represented that your granddaughter apologized, are you aware that she apologized for being belittled?
Objection. I'm sorry. Objection that this characterizes the document outside the scope.
Are you aware that she apologized for being called?
Counsel, I'm not sure established that she knows anything about that statement.
Do you know things about the statement, like the different words that were used against your granddaughter?
Objection. Hearsay. Argumentative.
Are you aware that your granddaughter was called the N-word?
Objection.
Sustained. Counsel, can I have anything further?
I'm sorry, Your Honor?
Do you have anything further?
Yes. If your granddaughter apologized, could she have been apologizing for her part of the incident?
Objection. Last
Sustained.
Isn't it true that in every incident there's two parts
objection.
and people are responsible for their
Counsel,
side
she's
of
a
the
fact
story?
witness. Do you have any questions about facts?
I'm sorry, one moment here. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, any recross?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, questions from the jury? You want to write that out, please?
Do it.
Okay, so we got Granny that has testified. I don't know what you
Ma'am,
guys
do you
think in
have an
regards to
approximate
it, but I
time
think
as
it's,
to when,
I mean,
Ms.
they
Ellis called you?
didn't want to
Do you
cross-examine
know the
her. I
approximate
get it.
time?
I get it. She looking good up here too.
Couldn't tell you.
Nice.
Did she tell you how long ago on that phone call? Did she tell you how long?
Hey, welcome in.
Prior to the
Thank
call
you
that
everyone
happened?
for your support. I apprate all the new subs, all the new
Or in other words, did
members,
she say this just
everybody
happened
that
or
is
it happened earlier?
joining in and
She called
watching
me
this
right
trial.
after.
We're taking
Right
the
after?
trial.
But
I
she was
appreciate you
humiliated,
all.
you know, so
Okay.
she was crying.
I truly do. Make sure you hit that
Any
thumbs
follow-up
up, right? Get us out here.
Did she during that call tell you that she was
Get us
a
out
cut on her
here.
face?
Awesome.
Assisting.
Yes.
Did she tell you on the call that she?
Counsel,
You
the
say-
question was about the time. It's not, we're not.
Not Granny is diabolical.
Question.
I'm gonna give Granny some grace. She came all the way from
Did she
Vegas in
call
order
you
to
the same day
testify
as-
on behalf of her granddaughter.
Speculation. Hearsay.
Okay.
Your answer?
Yes.
And that was February 24th of 2018?
Yes.
Thank you.
You know, the strange part about this is that the judge must have thought there was enough evidence in order to bring this to trial because they definitely tried to ask to dismiss. Hey, Ola, welcome back, sweetheart. Yeah, she didn't drove all the way to Vegas, from Vegas to California or flew or whatever. Let's see who we got coming
Do you
up
remember
here
the
to the
pre-
Wow.
What was the area code?
Area 818.
Any of the other numbers?
Objection, ask and answer.
I'm sorry, I really don't remember.
I probably couldn't remember mine, but thank you very much.
It took me a long time to remember the new one.
Yeah, I know how that is. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Witness, you excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, we may have to recall.
Okay. All right, you can step down, man.
Thank you.